Hi everybody, welcome back, and good day to you. This is a 2016 maroon in color Ramicus Dodge 1500 with a 5.3 liter gasoline powered Hemi V8. Whoa, did you hear that? I heard exhaust leak. It has 52,944 miles on the odometer. Oh, definitely hear exhaust leak. Let's take a look, or a listen, or a looky listen, or both. Yeah, that's definitely leaking. Where's my hood latch? There it is. Hemi. It's red, so you know it's good. Yeah, I hear manifolds leaking over here. Customer had previously diagnosed such things themselves. It appears that they were accurate. The reason I say that is because they have supplied us with some components. What do we got here? Some BBK tune length performance headers. I don't like the term headers. I prefer to use the term tubular manifolds because they are many folded and they are tubular. Well, let's not waste any time. To the service stall we go. This is a pre-approved, already done, no clerical work needed walk-in repair. The catch is going to be how many of those studs are going to break off in the cylinder heads. That's going to be the issue here. Pull that mirror in, I'd say right about here. Looks good. Feels good. It is good. Parking's the auto. Firing down. Alright, let's see what we got here. Shiny. Bolts. More shiny. And gaskets. Alright. These appear to be shorty headers slash tubular manifolds. Not bad. Actually, these are really nice. I like them. I don't really like those little weld spots in there, but it'll be fine. Very good. Okay. Alrighty, first things first, let's pull the wheels off. I need to get the inner fender wells out. I want to take a look and see how many of these exhaust manifold studs are broken off. Might be a bunch, might be none. It might be done and then I break some taking it off. Who knows? We don't know. We'll find out. Okay, yeah, you can see our manifold right there. Some of it. And a heat shield, that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull this inner fender out. See what we have to work with in there. Alright, we're looking at a series of bolts here. Pull them out with my screw gun. They're all of the 8mm variety. Seems that clips are minimal, which is good. I don't like clips. It's not my style. Alright, I think I've got it all disconnected. Oh, these are super thin too, that's nice. A lot of times it's real thick and hard to manipulate. This one, not so much. I accept this. Missed one. Missed another one right there. On your clip. Aha! Look at all that. Space for days. There's our heat shield, that's gotta go. 1 bolt, 2 bolts. That's for the collector. And then I can pull these manifold bolts out of the heads. I think a generous application of some penetrating oil will be necessary here. Couldn't hurt. Not at all. I think that's all of it. Okay. Alright, so this truck is going to dictate just how nice this is going to go. So first we're going to ask All right, it's doing what we want. If asking doesn't work, we're gonna tell it. And then if that doesn't work, we're gonna make it. Those are the levels of escalation. Oh look, that's broken. Ha! That's awesome. But I guess that's okay. Come off. There we go. Warm. I know you're unbolted because I just removed you. What are we doing? Come out. I don't have all day for this. Ouch! Is there another one? There is another one. He's hiding. Oh, broke off too. All right. Falling apart. Junk. All right, we got one broken stud here, and I don't see the others. Okay. Yep, there's one. I think one broken off there. Another one down here. And there might be one up here a little bit, but I can't see it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this Y pipe back here, and then we'll start taking all the bolts off for this manifold. I think I can just reach around with a wrench to get these out, as long as they're not too rusted. If they don't come out, I'll just cut them off. No reason to make a mountain out of a molehill. Ah, it's working. Well, it was. Not working anymore. The little lock nut on this side over here broke off. No worries. I'll add auxiliary components to said component. There. Square nuts. All right, it's ready for its close-up. Nice. Cool part about this job is I get all these extra new fasteners now from my collection. All right, now for the not cool part. We're gonna see how many of these bolts we're gonna break off. I'm gonna start with this bottom one. You can't really see it, but it's down there. That's tight. Yeah. I'm gonna get a bigger ratchet on this, and then or a longer one, I should say, a longer ratchet for increased leverage. And then if I can't get a turn out of it, we'll go get the torch and put some heat on it. Reverse clicks. I think it's turning. Oh yeah. All right, that one turned. Cool. Extension gravity. All right, I'm gonna put the impact on this, my little 3/8. We're gonna run it out. Milwaukee. Hot. Let's see if I can get this one to break loose with just the impact. That's a negative Ghost Rider. Lube. All right, here goes nothing. Yeah. Hot. All right, coming in on the bottom and the back side, we're gonna get another one of those lower bolts. Begin reverse clickages now. Yep. So far, so good. We're getting somewhere. Yes. All right, another lower bolt right here. Let's get that one. Beautiful. Let's see if this one is going to break loose next. I'm getting a little excited now. This is going swimmingly. Yes, it is. Oh no, you don't. Give that back to me. My 10mm. Okay, this is the last one, I think. Yep. I think that's the last one. Let's see. Okay, I think this is the last one. Let's find out. Maybe not. It's still attached. Uh-oh. That was a mistake. Well, let's go in there with some curvy angular pry bar and see if I can't get this thing to come free. There should be all the bolts. I don't know why I'm hung up. No, there's got to be one somewhere. Oh, I see it. I see it's hiding down there. I see it. There's a hiding bolt. It deceived me with its deepness. That wasn't even close to the right word. Hot. Give it back. Come on. Alright. Come on out of here, Manifold. I know you're free. Oh no, that broken stud right there is hanging me up. Pry bar. More pry bar. There's a broken stud inside of this hole right here, and I need to get the manifold out past it, but I can't because the exhaust is hanging on to it, or the Y pipe rather. So I'll just pry it away. Hot. Why you let it cool off? Because nobody's got time for that. Heat shield. I'm going to try to reuse this. Probably is a good thing to have for these coolant lines that are in such close proximity to the exhaust. Come on, Manifold. Get out of there. It's such a tiny unit, it's kind of stuck. There we go. I win. Okay, we're looking at two broken studs here. This one, which is inside the block ever so slightly, then this one here. I'm pretty sure I can get this one out, but that one, I'm gonna need to weld a nut to it. No, I'm not gonna try to drill it. Okay, before I get too destructive with any of this, I'm gonna try to pull that stud out with an easy out. A little socket device that hammers onto it, and then you just unscrew it. And it likes to grip as you turn. Oh yeah, oh look at that, comes right out. Beautiful. And it's slowed down, not beautiful. Here it comes. Oh goody. Alright, there's one to go. Alright fellas, time to get your safety squints on. We are busting out the welder. Let's see, that can go right there. That's engine block ground. Well, that's ground straight to the engine block, and then we're gonna weld a nut onto that stud and then use the nut to pull the stud out. Bright lights. I'm building up on the end of this stud. No, I'm not welding into the aluminum. The steel and the aluminum will not weld together. Alright, first nut coming in. I hope it'll end up being the only one. Well, we'll see. Another one. Yeah! I welded it right off. Look what I did. Ruined it. That's stupid.
This will make it better.
And I know, guys, I know there's 100 million ways you guys do this, and I don't know what I'm doing. I know. Don't worry. As long as that stud comes out, I don't see what the problem is. There's a problem with the feet on this welder, though. The spool hangs up on it. I wonder if I can like lubricate the spool, and that'll help. I'll do that later. The other cool thing about this method is it puts a boatload of heat into the stud. And then when that stud cools, it'll be able to contract slightly, hopefully break away from the threads in the cylinder head. I think this one's gonna break off. I don't think it got a good penetration into the stud. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna break right off. Don't tell me to let it cool off. Ooh, maybe not. Did I win? I think I'm gonna win. Nah, she's gonna break. Maybe not. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know. Did I win, guys, or did I lose? I think I win. Oh, look at that. It's coming out. This is beautiful. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is going to be a 50% victory because 50% of it is now complete. Alright, so you can see we got all this discolored nastiness and there's some buildup around where the gaskets were. So I'm going to go in there with a roll-lock wheel and just kind of clean some of that off just a wee little bit. Just so we have a nice, new, smooth, shiny surface. Loud noises, semi-loud noises. They're not terribly loud, just a little bit loud. You just keep constant motion here. You don't hang out in one spot. Ring. No, we don't need that welder right now. Yeah. Good. Cool. Intermission. Okay, we're back over here on the driver's side. We're gonna start in on the next manifold. I've taken the liberty of removing the fender well and everything. So now we're right back to spraying down these bolts and seeing what's broken and what's not. Yeah, long range. Long range, there we go. So once I get this stuff apart, we'll go from there and see what we have to do next. Okay, so let's start pulling this one apart, and we'll see how many studs we have that are broken off. Hopefully 0. I'd like to have 0 broken studs. I'm gonna move a little faster through this one since we already saw the removal procedure. Another. Can't reach. Not long enough. Mini extension. Come on. Neutral drop. Yeah, there we go. Okay, one more shield bolt down below. There it is. I think I've got to pull the dipstick tube and the steering shaft out for this side, I think. Okay, reaching way out back. We're gonna see what I can do about these little, these big flange bolts. These little big flange bolts. Words. Still a little warm in there. Reverse clicks. Yep. Okay, need power tools. This is gonna be hard. I'll take my wrench back. It's not serving much good in there, is it? Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Try driver. Come off. Give me back my stuff. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. I'm your friend. Okay, we're going in with a socket from the back side. That's not reaching very well either. Okay, let's try the bottom one. Yes. Sort of. We'll just grab onto that. Okay, there's one. There's the one. We're going back in for that top one. Stuck a universal on the socket. See if that's enough to get out of my fastener. Looks like it. Nice. That was easy once I got the other one out. Okay, heat shields next. Let's encourage this thing to come out of here. These come out. Victory is mine. It's mine-ish. Like kind of mine, but not yet. Like it's near, not within my grasp. But we're closer. Oh, fun fact, if I need to pull this dipstick tube out, I've got to remove the motor mount on this side over here. Heat shield gravity. So I don't think any of these bolts are broken. So let's get them lubed and removed. There's one. All right. Let's start with the easy ones first. The easy ones that fit, actually. That one. Yeah. For some reason, these are two different size bolts in here. Dodge. Reverse clickages, that one's good. Got one on the bottom. That one broke free. All right, this is working. There's another one here in the center on the bottom. Ooh, that one's tight. Clickage. That one sounded like I broke it at first. Oh, okay. Crisis averted. It's not broken. There's a bottom one there up in the front. That's a 13mm size. Now I just need to get the right angle on it. Aha. Oh no. Gravity. Just gonna have to reach in and do this one a little differently. If I can manage it here. Don't break my fingers. Turned. Send it. There's more gravity. There's one more. Move over, dipstick tube. You're in my way. Like a lot. Come on. I don't know what that was, but that was violent. Okay, well that one just broke off. So, you just got one more over here, and that's the one I need to extract over there. I think this is the last one here. How does this one come out no problem, and then the other one breaks off? Just no consistency amongst these Dodges. I missed one down there. Okay, let's get this heat shield out. We need to reuse this. The gaskets go on the shield, but the shield is reusable. Come out. All right, you're gonna, you know what? Forward. It's gonna come out forward. That's what we're gonna do. There's more space over there. I'm gonna use it. So now, can I get this out without pulling that dipstick tube? Because like I said, I've got to pull a motor mount to get that tube out. I don't want to. It's lots of extra work. Like loads of it. You gonna fit? Nope, not gonna fit that way. Going back in. Here, I know. Let's try this. We gotta flip this around and squeeze it out this way. Let's keep rotating it. There we go. Got it. Woohoo! Now, that one right there, that's our broken off bolt. So I've got to weld another nut to that one and then figure out how to back that one out of its hole. Okay, ground clamps coming in, straight to the block, close to the affected area. Okay, same protocol as before. I'm gonna put a couple beads right here on the stud, or the broken stud. We'll build it up a little bit, and then we'll place a nut over top of it and then buzz it on. Bright lights. Zzz. Reaching around from the left, got a bolt here on some needle noses, and then we're going to come in from the front between all these obstacles and try to get a weld in there. Here goes nothing. It's on, I think. Better be. All right. Now, just need to maybe let that cool a little bit and we can try to work it off of there. Or I'm gonna break it off and I gotta weld a new one back on. Hey, it moves. I think I'm gonna luck out on this job. Look at that. These are my welding needle noses, by the way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna luck out. I think I win. I think I win by default. Come here, ground clamp. We don't need you right now. Get out of here. Yeah, I do believe this is turning. This is going to be a victory. Yeah, it's going to come out. Perfect. All right, swivel socket coming in. Do-do-do-do-do. That's a victory doodly-doo. Oh, yeah. That's hot. All right, going back in with our little grinder, our little cleaning grinder device, just to polish up this nastiness. And then we can see what we can do about fitting in those new manifolds. First, we have to make this shiny. High-speed shiny. Okay, I fixed my air leak too. My little deal here was unthreaded. Not good. Let's get these last two cleaned up. Camera gravity. You know, I said I was going to move through this quickly, and we're like going at the same speed. I lied. Sorry guys, I'm a liar. No, never mind. I'm not a liar. I was just, I overestimated. Yeah, there we go. My estimations were incorrect. A lie would mean that I did it intentionally. And I have no reason to lie. Alright, that's clean. Good to go. Here, let us remove any debris that I may have introduced. And yeah, I know it's debris, not debris, but I felt like saying that. Okay, everybody, I do believe that we are running out of time. Although we appear to be getting close to the end, I actually started running into a lot of difficulties, and it drew this video out to be extremely long. So that being said, I'm gonna have to make this a two-part video. Having said that, as always, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know about that by tapping that like button down below. So again, and as always, thank you for watching. And most importantly, do not forget
looking
to
left
have
a little bit.
yourselves a great day.
We're ready to set these collectors up.
See you guys later.